Hi Skin Games, I'm Jennalee on week 2 of age management, and last week for Erin's first treatment, we really focused on stabilizing her skin's lipid barrier and building its strength. So due to her minimal routine of only washing with water and only using SPF, along with a history of extensive sun exposure, her skin is showing signs of premature aging such as elastosis, including fine lines, wrinkles, PIE, PIH. So we're gonna take an approach to build her skin's strength so that it can optimally receive all the treatments we do over the 8 weeks. We began week 1 with a dermal remodeling infusion to wake up her skin and encourage a natural collagen synthesis. And I'll also be doing a gentle level of nano channeling every few weeks to continue to activate the fibroblast for her skin's homeostasis. We followed with a red light LED to stimulate for cellular repair and collagen production, reducing the depth of the lines. And then I did a microcurrent to address the fine lines and elastosis, working to really help improve the contouring and lifting that she really wants to see around this area especially. I then put a setting in for lymphatic to help further calm the inflammation and break up some of the pigment. That evening, I actually went to her house to meet with her to really walk her through the steps of how she's going to be using her AM and her PM skincare routine, along with how to use the home-based LED mask and the microcurrent machine so that she can feel prepared and excited and not overwhelmed by this. And then now with week 2, we actually just completed her first of 2 micro-channeling treatments to tighten her skin, soften the lines, balance her skin tone, addressing the post-inflammatory erythema and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. She did get quite a bit pink from this, which made me a little bit nervous. So I will be checking in with her 24 to 48 hours after her treatment now to see how her skin is healing. And we also did her first body lymphatic session, really to support her lymphatic system, reduce the puffiness she notices throughout her face and her body, as well as an infrared contouring panel on her stomach to really help break up those fat cells. So I can't wait to see how we get with week 3.